Yo, it's Midas. Let's talk about a new concept of investing that I started called vibe investing, using AI to invest smarter. This is how I'll turn 1K into 10K by stock picking with AI. Disclaimer, everything said in this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to always do your own research. But this is why you should listen to Midas. Well, I beat the S&P 500 by 103x in less than a year. If you want the proof, you can check it out. My link in bio show you the date of my calls, the takers I called, where the call was posted, whether it was YouTube or TikTok, and my total gains of 5,000%. But let's talk about vibe investing, which is the play on for vibe coding. So what is vibe investing? Well, it's basically using AI to make investment decisions. It has AI powered decisions, so inspired by vibe coding. So if you're a software developer, you would know that, it's basically when devs let AI write code, fix their bugs, and just reliant purely on AI to make decisions. With Vibe investing, I use, LLMs like ChatGPT to process massive amounts of market data, sentiment, and narratives, then trust its recommendations. Well, also, having my own, you know, ideas as to what I believe is good from these picks. So don't trust AI completely. But this data plus Vibe or AI Vibe edge is I'm not just relying on charts or hype. I combine the hard data of on-chain sentiment narrative signals with intuitive vibe check that AI like ChatGPT gives when analyzing markets. And it's a bear market, so narratives move faster than these fundamentals. Vibe investing is about spotting the 10x narrative waves early before Wall Street or the mainstream catch on with AI. And you combine that with the knowledge of, yours truly, Midas, knowing what stocks usually run up from my strategy. I'm able to, pick stocks a lot quicker, especially with the use of AI. So why is Vibe investing so different than any other strategy? Well, right now in the bull market, narratives are moving markets. With Bitcoin, it's known as digital gold. Back in the last bull market of 2021, Ethereum, the world computer, or digital oil, Solana, the Ethereum killer, they skyrocketed, especially in the crypto markets because of these narratives. And momentum drives value. In bull markets, money flows where the story is strongest, not where the fundamentals are strongest. So AI as an edge, well, AI can parse through Reddit threads, Twitter posts, Discord combos, news cycles at scale. It's processing all these data all at once. And it finds these patterns in sediments plus language humans would miss. Now for this asymmetric bet filtering, retail goes for hype, and the AI can filter these noise from the overvalued to the undervalued. And combining this AI raw processing with human confirmation, which is myself, of asymmetric upside from my own personal experience, through like the market value, the tokenomics, timing, sector fit, etc., I'm able to find these asymmetric bets faster, or theoretically I can. And vibe investing isn't about day trading precision. It's about catching the big 10x waves early before everyone else. If you know about my channel, I'm not a day trader. I'm not an options trader. I'm more of a swing trader where I find the picks before Wall Street even comes into the market and be able to profit off of those high percentage swings as soon as retail or people just buy into the hype. So let's introduce this vibe investing experiment. So the experiment is I'm going to start with 1K and I'm going to aim for a $10,000 return. And I'm going to use this vibe investing strategy to see if I can do this. So the AI's role is to scan across Reddit, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, news, find which sectors are gaining traction, spot sentiment shifts before they hit mainstream. And these picks are all going to be swings trades like I do in all my calls in Discord. I'll ask for AI for these entry and exit for the price targets and as well as where to enter. And I'll be posting all of these AI calls on my Discord if you want to follow along. You can join now on my link in bio. And I'll be documenting this journey on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Follow me to stay up to date. And I'm debating if I want to make this for crypto picks as well. So comment below if you want this. But yeah, this is Vibe Investing 101. This is a strategy that, I decided to create. If you have any questions about it, give me a comment below and respond when I can. I'm also launching my Discord community, so if you want real-time stock and crypto calls, access to my full portfolio, become financially free, and join a community of hungry degens, join in my link in bio. You want to take a look at all my stock picks, check out my link in bio. And if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and like for more. But that's all I got for Vibe Investing. Stay tuned for my next video as to, my progress, what the calls I'm looking at, the prompts I'm using for AI, and this is how I'm planning to use AI to invest smarter and turn 1K into 10K by stock picking with AI. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.